Hi, it's Wayne from E-Stim Systems here. Did you know the E-Stim Systems 2B allows you to link controls together, giving you effectively one-handed operation? Just choose Control Linking in the menu and set it to On, and then Channel B will track the movements of Channel A. If you increase Channel A, then Channel B will increase by the same amount. And since you still have control over Channel B, you can choose the relative difference between Channel A and Channel B levels. Have a play. It's that simple. Hope that helps you get the best out of your 2B. If it helps, please give us a like and please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.